Once upon a time, there's a kid is just 1 inch old. Her parents are carrying her for 30 days because her so cute and adorable. And mommy said she moved to go to sleep the baby because she need to go to her bed because it's raining now. And every dad said go to bed and give her some beautiful. Now it's raining. And the raining feel her sleep. Now the rain is going to rain. So parents is gonna go to sleep. So we are just okay in the rain for the sleep time. They're so sleep. And the parents is going to bed because it's so cold inside her house. And mommy is gonna go sleep. Then my wife and her then she need to sleep over a freshing rain to the fire. And daddy is going to sleep over some watching TVs more inside her house. And she's going to sleep next time ago like that. Last time ago, Then a little girl cry over some hundred day, and parents is going to wait her and wake. And every mom said she need to take care her daughter. Mom said, keep care your daughters, so your daughters need to sleep over night over. She said to her girlfriend, and she said, what, going to bed now? She just went to wake up so early because she don't wanna let her father scare the ghost. And father just want to give up. So the father don't want to wake, but she going to get the baby, so the baby's not crying. And daddy's gonna go hurry, so night is gonna rain today. And she gonna set the baby and don't cry again. Her mother said, daddy. And the daddy said to take the babies on the baby. And the babies makes cry and thunderbolt on her eye. And the daddy said, baby, it's okay. There's nothing gross in here, daddy said. And she's keep crying because she's so scared. And daddy's makes her feel better on her lullaby on sounds. And she makes sleep her in somebody's way. And she fall asleep again. And father feels slow, so daddy's need to sleep because daddy was so full to be working so far. But she need to sleep, so she need to sleep overnight because it's nighttime how to do. And now mommy is got to play with her daughter. Her plane is Playa, and she said to her daughter, daughter, it's time to play with us. And mommy is going to buy what her want. And my sister said, let's play a game when we want. Now another baby and 60 her. Is her 1 years old like her daughter. And then she's fall asleep. Her name is Jenica. And she fall asleep on her own her room. Daddy said, keep walking, Mom. I wish to sleep now. And now we are family now. Thank you.